Hello and welcome to Azure SQL Database tutorial. To complete this tutorial, you need to have an access to Azure Portal. You can create a free account using this link. Now we are in account creation page. You can start free or you can buy it now. Or if you already have an account, you can sign in. I have already an account, so I am signing it. Or you can directly go to portal.azure.com. Page is opening. Now we are in Azure Portal. We have 12-month free trial with 200 credit. If you open a free account, you will get some. To create a new object, you click here, create a resource. We are going to create SQL database or SQL database. You have to fill up this form to create the database. I have the free subscription, so it is free trial. The resource group, I have a resource group SQL Azure Cloud, or you can create a new one with this link. Give the database name. Database name is testdb. Select a server. I don't have any server, so I am creating new server, naming it as test server. It is available. Server admin login. I call it dbadmin. Give a complex password. Server has been created and tagged with this server section. Finally, review and create. Free trial, database name testdb, server new, compute and storage, compute 10 DTUs and storage 250 GB storage. Using existing data, database is blank. Okay, I am creating the database. Finally, database has been deployed. Here is our testdb server. So alternatively, we can view it from here also. So testdb under testdb server 100. Here's the quick overview of this database. Database data storage 4 MB, allocated space, maximum size. You can query password. Let's log in. Now we are going to create a table in the Azure SQL. To create a table called customer table with 3 columns: customer ID, first name, last name, then insert customer values, and finally retrieve the data from customer table. Here is the result. Customer ID, customer first name is John and last name Joe. Refresh it now. Table folder now has a table called customers.